Hi, good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the operations on a 1D array. Okay, there are five operations we have. See, first one is a traversing. You know the then searching, then sorting, then insertion and deletion. These are very important, and also these algorithms are in a lab also. Okay, when you come to the college, you have labs on these algorithms only. You have to convert these algorithms into programs. Okay, next when you come to the lab, you have these syllabus for a lab exams. Okay, see, these are very important for theory also and lab purpose also. Last class we discuss about the operations on non-primitive data structure or operations on array. There are five operations we have already. We discuss about this. Okay, then now today we discuss about the 2D array. Okay, you know already, array means what? It is a collection of elements which is used to store a group of data. For example, this is nothing but one array int a of 10. How many data you can store in this? Okay, 10 elements you can store in this. Okay, up to 10 elements you can store in this in this array. Okay, this is called array. Okay, how many types of array you have? Array will be start with the 0, that you know. Okay, 10 values na ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Got it? Then ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರ see, in this it is a 1D. There are how many types of array you have? There are three types of arrays. First one is a 1D array, then 2D, then multi-dimensional array. Last year I already studied. See, first this is which array it is? It is a one-dimensional array. Okay, this is one-dimensional array. Okay, this is already you studied how to the memory representation of a 1D array. Now you have to study about what is 2D array. See, what is 2D array? 2D array means, for example, I am writing int a of 2 3 2 3. See, a of 2 3. This is what 2D array. Why it is 2D array? It has a 2 subscript. Okay, it has a 2 subscript. That's why it is a 2D array. What is 2D array? 2D array means collection of elements which have same name, same data type, but 2 subscript. But it has a 2 subscript. Okay, first subscript is described into this is row size. Then second subscript it is described column size. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, e type ಬರೀತಾರೆ 2D array na. Now the memory representation of 2D array means what? Memory representation of 2D array means when you store any numbers in this, automatically one address will be created. That address, how to find the address of 2D array, that you have to learn. Okay, now either the row size ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2, column size ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3. Then how to write this? How the numbers are stored in these 2D array? Okay, I want to store, see, I want to store, for example, I want to store A, I want to store B, C, D. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎ ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ how it will store A, B, C, D. I want to store these characters in this. How to store these? Okay, see, for example, how to store, for example, first how many rows you have? Row size 2 rows you have. How many rows? Always array will be start with the 0. A of 0, then A of 1, then 3. How many columns you have? 3 columns. 3 columns means always array will be start with A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. See, 3 columns, 2 rows. Okay, now see, I want to store A. In store agutte A will be stored in, see, in a of 0 0. Then B will store agutte. B will be stored in a of 0 1. Then C will be stored in A of 0 2. Then D will be stored in A of 1 0. Then for example, I am taking B, E, then F. F. E will be where it is stored. E will be stored in A of 1 1. Then F will be stored in A of 1 2. Like this. Okay, this is what this is how to store data, how the A will be stored, in which position A will be stored. For example, B L store agatili, B will be stored in A of 0 1. Okay, then you have to write one chart. Then how the data will be stored in this. See, for example, how the data will be stored. First, now data A will be stored in location A of 0 0. Then B will be stored in the location A of 0 1. C will be stored in the location A of 0 2. D will be stored in the location A of 1 0. E will be stored in the location A of 1 1. F will be stored in the location A of 1 1. Okay, this is what I am writing in this manner. Okay, see, I want to find the address of. See, A will be stored in location A of 0 0. In which address? See, when you say in computer, whatever is stored, automatically one address will be created. Okay, the address will be created, but we can't see. But whatever you store any data in a computer, the address will be created. Then how to find the address? How to find the address? You have to use this formula to find the address of. Okay, you have to find the address of 2D array. Okay, there are two methods we have to find the address of 2D array. One is a row measure order, second one is a column measure order. In row measure order, if you want to find, see, row measure order, this is row measure order. Here the set of first address you have to collect one by one. In row wise you have to collect the addresses, first, second, third, and fourth, fifth and sixth. But in column measure order you have to consider columns. Okay, see, in a row measure order you have to consider rows. Okay, then in a column measure order you have to consider 3 columns. Got it? See, this is row measure order. How to find the address of 2D array in a row measure order method? Just you have to write this diagram, then this diagram. For example, how to find the address? Okay, for example, I am taking A will be stored in the location A of 0 0 at the address 0 0 1, at the address 0 0 2, 0 0 3, 0 0 4, 0 0 5, 0 0 6. Okay, this is what these are the addresses. I want to find these addresses. Then you have to use these formula. You have to use. I want to find these addresses. For example, D the address ಯಾವುದು? I want to see the address D ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆ in 1004. Okay, I want to find the address. Then you have to use this formula. Location of A of ij equal to base address. Base address means what? First address of array. First address ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? First address is called base address. 4 many times in examination ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. What is base address? The first address of the array is called base address. That is 1001 plus W means number of words. How many words in this? One word in a way. Okay, one word. As default it takes only one word, right? By default you would write only one. Then M means what? M means number of columns. Okay, number of columns. Yes, without columns ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 columns. Then N means number of rows. Okay, these you have to calculate like this. Okay, if you want to find the address of, see, address of 10, then what is the address of 10? D the address ಏನಪ್ಪ 1004. For example, I want to see the address of A of 02. A of 02 address ಏನು? 1003. Okay, this is about how to find the addresses. Okay, just they will ask you how to find the addresses of a 2D array. There are two methods we have. One is a row measure order method, second one is a column measure order. Okay, then I want to see the addresses of location 2 into 3. 2 into 3 I am taking on matrix. You know already second year already matrix ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 2 into 3 matrix. Okay, this is m, then this is n. Okay, n see m means number of columns. This is n, this is a m. Okay, then I want to find the address of this a of 10. A of 10 the address ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. I want to find then location equal to a of 10 equal to base address ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1001 plus w means how many words you have, only one ಇದೆ. What then m ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? m ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 3 2 I am taking 2 3 order. Then m means how much? 3 into I means how much here? 1 plus j means how much here? J means index of array. This is j, this is 0. Then you are getting answer 1001 plus then how much it is? 3 equal to 1004. See, you are getting 1004. This is the address. How to find the addresses of this 1010 the address ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, this is what how to find the addresses. Okay, how to find the addresses of 2D array. 2D array means you have a 2 subscript ಇರ್ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. 2 subscript means in every subscript. See here data you can store how many elements you can store? 2 into 3 how much? 6 elements you can store in this. How many elements? 2 into 3 means 6 data 6 values na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 6 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then I want to store ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ a b c d e f. I want to know the addresses are always in binary form. Okay, binary form, but we can't see. Okay, automatically when you store anything in computer, okay, automatically the address will be created. I want to know which address. Okay, for example C, where in which address it will be stored. I want to see that. Then you have to use one formula. That formula name is location of a of ij equal to base address plus w into m into I plus j. You have to know this formula. Okay, then second one is column measure order. Okay, I want to find the address of by using column measure order. Same formula you have to write it. Same formula. See, you have to use location of a of ij equal to same irutte base address plus w into n ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. m ಬದಲಿ ಏನಂತೆ n ಬರುತ್ತೆ into j ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is what is how to find the column measure order. I want to find column measure order. This is column measure order. Okay, then you have to use this formula. You have to use this formula. Just in the formulas ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. See, explain the memory representation of 2D array. Okay, for 5 marks or for 3 marks they will ask you. Just there are two methods we have to find the address of 2D array. One is column measure row measure order, second one is a column measure order. Okay, in that see you have to consider one array int a of 2 3 means how much? This is row size, this is a column size. Okay, 2 into 3 means how many elements you can store in this? 6 elements, 6 data or 6 character you can store in this. Okay, I want to find the address of a. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? See, I want to find the address of a, then you have to use this formula. Okay, then I want to find the address of c, then you have to use this formula. Okay, why I am writing these are locations, these are character. For example, c will be stored in the location a of 0 2 at the address 1003. Okay, like this. See, we have also, for example, I am staying in the Badgandi. Okay, at the address Bapuji College. Okay, like this we have everything, we have one addresses like that. In computer also, whatever you can store, one address will be created. Okay, that how to find that address, so how to find that address by using these two formulas. Okay, then how to write this diagram. Okay, then you have to write this diagram, then you have to mention these two formulas. Okay, this is a memory representation of a 2D array. Okay, in a 2D array means always we have a two subscript in this. You have to remember this. The subscript, this is row size, this is column size. Row size, how much here? 2. ಎರಡು ರೋ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಎರಡು ರೋ. Column size, how many column size we have? See, 3 ಇದೆ. 3. Always array will be start with 0, a of 0, 1, 2. How many now? 3 columns. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, this is about a memory representation of a 2D array. Okay, this is you have to remember, this is two methods we have: row measure order and column measure order. This is about array, complete about array. Okay, almost all the questions are asked from array only. Which are the questions they are asking you? Data structure, then types of data structure. In types of data structure they are asking you non-primitive data structure. In non-primitive data structure, see, you have a linear data structure, then non-linear data structure. In linear data structure you have to study about array. The best example for linear data structure is a array. In array you have to study about algorithms. Okay, how many algorithms you have studied? 5 algorithms you can study it. Okay, with the problems also you have studied. These are very important for your annual exam. Okay, you have to practice these 5 algorithms. Definitely in your pocket you have a 15 marks. Okay, 15 marks algorithms melene keltane. You have to practice these. If you don't regularly, you have to see these videos again and again, then only you can understand. Okay, see, this is about a memory representation of a 2D array. Okay, you have to write these notes. Okay, then only you can understand. Okay, thank you for watching this video.